Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
This a fast-ass border, so I hate it on the dash. Boys jump behind us, pray to God we'll crash. They hit the lights, so we teed up and hit the gas. Told Kelly, saw this bitch dollars going too fast. I was telling mama curved.
Today's a good day, guys. As y'all see, we got Bubba behind us. Y'all follow the channel. Y'all know Bubba is my daily. And
shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
2 vlogs ago, my fucking daily left me on the side of the road. We got some cooking this time. We got about to pop this hood and show y'all what we've been doing. For everyone asking where y'all been, why y'all not dropping, where's the meats at? Time's coming. Today is Monday. And Saturday we got a ride out. The biggest ride out in Forte. I appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting. We back, hopefully. But you see little pieces that we gotta touch up. But the main thing is the engine. So I'm gonna go pop the hood real quick. Back. So today we finna finish finishing touches, and then the moment of truth. It's been a fucking month, and this is where we've been. We've been in here. I'm gonna set y'all down. Kia Forte coupe. This is what you gotta do to do all this dumb shit. Change motors. It's fun and all.
Cap.
We gotta do the other side. We gotta put the brake lines on there. Get done with this side. Then put the fluids in and see if this motor actually worked. I got this motor from Facebook Market. I'll put the clips of the car, what it looked like when I got it. Taking a gamble, guys, so pray for me. Hopefully Saturday we can pull this thing out.
Day 2. Day 4.
We on the way to the meet. We in Bubbler, so we got this shit running. This is the first drive in swap. Y'all hear how loud this shit is? It's loud as fuck. So it's still more shit we gotta do to it. But right now we just gonna pull out the shop for the meet. I'm ready to see what's going on, man. Let's see who outside tonight. Let's see who outside, man.
Damn, Dame, you tweaking on the beat. Already know what you get all fucking year. Tweaking on it.
Let me tell y'all, bro. I feel like 12 degrees and they still out here, man, supporting the boy. But Bubba's actually doing good, man. Motor swap is well right there. So, that's why I do this shit for y'all. So appreciate it. And we about to go to the third spot. Y'all stay tuned for that, man. But I just want to jump on this camera and let y'all know, bro. I really appreciate this shit. 2024 is gonna be our year. Watch. Go to the third spot, guys. Stay tuned.
Top no help, get high like a bird, and I talk to myself. Not talking about money, I don't even care. I lost so many niggas, wish they were here. Got black people brothers like Sunny, body say they stepping.
They better watch how they step.
Yeah. So many ducks trying to eat up the drip with the fuck.
We got the city behind us, man. Let's go. Let's go. City on lock, bro. Let's go. Let's get it. Man, this shit crazy, guys. We got the city outside, bro. Probably got like 50 more people behind us, bro. Everyone trying to get up front. I ain't gonna let them know.
Cap.
What the fuck?
A few moments later.
Third spot we at. Well, we boxed in. We boxed in. You're better off when you see goddamn uniform.
Damn, Dame, you tweaking on the beat.
Everyone that came out, you stuck in there this long, appreciate the love and support. But I think it was a good turnout for it to be below 32 degrees. Stay tuned for the next ride out. Catch y'all next time.